If you're looking to create an online presence for your business or yourself, and you don't have any kind of coding knowledge or you're not that experienced in IT, then you should consider these websites to create your own personal website and create your own online presence. You can also create your e-commerce stores using these websites. So let's get started. Hi guys, what is up? Today we're going to be taking a look at 5 websites to create your online presence, and we will even be discussing a bonus website. So stay tuned till the end to watch out for that bonus website. Starting off, we're taking a look at Jimdo. So Jimdo is a great website builder. It is for free. All of these websites that I'm going to mention here today are going to be free, so you don't have to pay a single dime to create your website over here. So Jimdo is able to effortlessly create your professional website or store. So if you're looking to sell your products, you can also use Jimdo. And it's very easy to create your website if you're a self-employed person. So that is a great plus point of Jimdo. It's very easy to get started on this website, and it has a variety of templates, and you can get started using your Google account, your Facebook account, your Apple account. And let's discuss a few of the features of Jimdo, and we will be signing up at the end of this video. So everything can be changed at any time when you use Jimdo, and you can add images and text with drag and drop using Jimdo. A free image library is also included in Jimdo. It provides you with flexible layouts, and it's optimized for use on all mobile devices, so your website does not look a bit scrunchy and a bit scrawny when you're looking at it from your phone. So Jimdo will enable you to edit your design. You can get your GDPR compliant legal pages. So a legal text generator is generated through Jimdo and trusted shops, like your legal terms and conditions, and your imprints are watertight and GDPR compliant. But this is only available for EU-based websites, so unless you're in the European Union, you're not going to be able to get these features. But if you are in the European Union, these are very great features to have. You can also put your own domain into it, which is very great, and you can get perfect mobile design, so you can see how your website is going to look on mobile and how everything will be aligned and how everything will be fit, what parts of the homepage would be cut out in the mobile design, and all those tiny little factors that can change the entire experience of your website. On number 4, we have WordPress.com. WordPress is another very great website to create your online presence. WordPress, not to confuse it with WordPress.org. WordPress.com is the website builder, and 42% of the web is built on WordPress. So it's one of the most popular website builders currently present on the market, and it provides you with a bunch of templates, and it can help you start a blog. You can sell your own stuff, you can create your marketplace, you can build any kind of website that you want: blogs, websites, your personal domain, e-commerce, self-hosted solution, and WordPress for teams. On number 3, we have Weebly.com, and Weebly helps you build a very professional and minimal looking website. So Weebly is very good for someone who is looking for a minimal aesthetic, who doesn't want their website to look at mumbo jumbo, and you don't want that kind of overwhelming feeling from your website. You want it to be neat, clean, and simple and to the point. You should definitely check out Weebly. Weebly is actually more popular for creating an online store rather than a website, but you can also use it to create your website. And all of these website creators have a free plan, and they also have a paid plan, depending on the kind of usage you're going to have. If you're someone starting out, you're probably not going to have to pay for any of these websites, but if you are someone who has a lot of data to store and you have a lot of third-party code that you need to embed into your website, and you want to remove any kinds of ads on your website, then you will have to purchase the plans available on these websites. But you can get your online presence up and running in a minute just for free using all of them. Next up, on number 4, we have Webnode. So Webnode is very amazing, and Webnode already has 40 million users. So that just shows you the success of Webnode. Webnode is very easy to use, it's very efficient, and you can rely on it because it's very old. Webnode has been in the business of making websites for the past 20 years, so you don't need to worry that your website is going to disappear tomorrow, and it's reliable in that sense. And you can use your phone or tablet to build your website, so that is even easier. Even if you don't have your laptop and you're just starting a brand new jewelry business, you don't have a laptop, you're a student, you're broke, then Webnode is great for you. You can just use your phone to create your own website. Now for our honorable mention. Before we move on to number 1, we're gonna go with bookmark.com. So bookmark.com is kind of different than the rest of these websites because it emphasizes on the AI aspect of its creation. So Bookmark emphasizes that their AI, artificial intelligence, is very easily able to predict and create and generate your website according to the needs of your website and according to the demand that is created. So that is our honorable mention. Bookmark hasn't been in the business for very long, but Bookmark has shown some great growth in the past few years. So I would definitely recommend heading on for Bookmark if you want a more unique and different approach to your website. And on number 5, we have our all-time favorite, Wix.com. So Wix, with all its ads, is one of the greatest website builders out there. It is easy to use. It is a all-in-one platform, and you are able to choose from the thousands of templates available on Wix. So just as a sample, I'm gonna show you guys how you're gonna get started on Wix, and the same method can be applied to all of these websites. They're very easy to use. First off, you're gonna click on sign in, then you're gonna put in your email and your password, and I'll get back to you guys in a minute. So once you put in your email and your password, you've created your account, and you're gonna get started and put in what kind of site that you want. So Wix will automatically generate your website after you fill in these questions. So I want this site for myself, and I'm starting online store, and I've never done this before. So we're gonna click on start now, and you can also choose a template on the right side. They're gonna give you that option, but if you answer their questions, they're gonna customize their templates according to your needs. So I would definitely prefer this way of creating your online store as compared to using a standard template, but if that's your style, definitely go for it. So what kind of business am I starting? I'm starting a hair extension store. And next, what are some extra features that I might want to add on my website? So add a subscribe form, and I will add a chat to my website. Add the name for your online store. So let's say Kylie Beauty 99. Let's just go with that. Existing website. Skip, and you can add your logo and add your phone number, your fax number, and all your personal details. Once you've done that, you're gonna pick a theme. So we're selling hair extensions, so we're gonna definitely go with a kind of elegant theme, which is upscale and gives our product a good kind of impression. You can definitely change these fonts, these backgrounds, and all the specific details later on, but you can just start off with these to make it easier for you. And once you've done that, this is taking a minute. So it's generating our homepage design, so it's gonna take a few minutes. Don't worry about it. As you can see, these designs are so pretty. They already look so professional, which is fantastic. So I'm gonna go with this one. It looks good. It looks very elegant. So let's wait until this is finished. And now over here in the various blocks in specific areas, like the header, this is the header of your website, this is the main page, this is one of the select bars, this is the subscription letter, this is the get in touch, and all of these different blocks of your website. You can edit them, you can design them. So let's just say we're gonna edit this part, and let's just customize it a bit. You can see over here it's providing us with so many options. We can change the layout, we can change the colors, we can, reduce the number of items that are present over here. And I'm just gonna change the color. I'm gonna go with something that's a bit darker. I'm just gonna reverse it so it's just a bit different and it pops out. And then I'm gonna change it out a bit. And just like that, you can make your little tweaks to your website and make it your own. And let's just say we're gonna replace the image. Maybe I don't like this image. I'll just replace it using the thousands of images provided by Wix on their online copyright-free image gallery. Let's just go with someone that has braids. Yeah, let's go with that to show our diversity like this. And then you can just publish your website. Let's publish and continue. And here you go, your online presence has been created. This website is live, and that's how easy it is to create your website using Wix.com. So I hope you guys liked the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.